Struggling to write a detailed product comparison for your blog? Many affiliate marketers get stuck because it takes hours to research and write. Writing a thorough comparison post can be overwhelming, but AI makes it much faster. I type this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here to copy it exactly. In moments, you get a detailed blog post that clearly outlines the pros and cons of each product, saving hours of research and writing. This gives you a solid piece of content to share with your audience. But a blog post alone won't drive traffic or sales. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to use content like this strategically to attract visitors, nurture readers, and convert them into customers, all in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database for tested prompts and a one-on-one AI strategy call, giving you extra tools to turn your content into real results. Turn AI generated blogs into a system that drives traffic and sales. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you exactly how, and it's just $17 to start. Check the link in the description to get going today.